Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly. On today's video, I bring you these quarantine's birthday party decorations that you could do at home. Even though we're going through a tough situation right now, doesn't mean we cannot do something special for our little ones or our family that we love. Please stay safe and stay home. Let's not forget to hit the little bell button if you want to get notified every time I post a new video. I will be posting every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my birthday party decorations, let's not forget to hit that little bell. Please stay into the end so you can see we have a little surprise for my little nephew at the end of this video and a few pictures of his birthday party. We did it with family, very small. But what counts right now is that we show them that no matter what, they're special, and it was their special day. So once again, thank you for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and please hit that subscribe button. Let's get started into this video. So the first thing I did was grab a sheet of paper, white sheet of paper, and then I'm gonna go ahead and draw a triangle with a pencil just like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my scissor, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out. Then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and trace it into my black sheet of paper. And this is the one that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and trace it out, cut it out. And then after I cut it out, I'm just going to go ahead and grab my hole punch. I'm just going to put a few of them together. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab my hole punch and punch a hole. Just like that on both sides. Then I'm going to take a string and just put it through it just like that. And then for the letter, I'm just going to go ahead and use double-sided tape and tape it. Then go ahead and grab another sheet of paper, 8.5 by 11, and just cut it out in the corner. And each corner, each size, you're going to go around it and cut it just like that. Then after that, just go ahead and grab another sheet of paper black and measure 2 inches. And then go ahead and cut that out and put it on top. Go ahead and flip your page. And then you're just going to go ahead and cut out the extra paper in the corner just like that. You're going to do it to both sides. Then go ahead and grab your paper, put some tape, and attach it to the top of the paper. Then go ahead and grab your letters. These letters you can find it in Dollar Tree. And I usually cut mine out, but they have a section where you can find letters, stickers, and Dollar Tree. So just on Dollar Tree, Walmart, so many places. And then just gonna go ahead and attach your letter to your sign. So mine says, cautions, none of you are invited. So you could put whatever you would like in these signs. And this is how the signs will turn out. So then I went ahead and grabbed my air pump, my balloon air pump, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do all my balloons. This one I did a lot of small and a few mediums because I didn't want it so big. So just go ahead and make sure when you blow in your balloons to do it the same size. So just if you don't have a balloon to measure your size, just make sure to put them together and blow them as much as you can. Then go ahead and grab your balloon string, and you're just gonna go ahead and put it through it and attach them just like that. This is the easier ways that you could do a balloon garland. So I really recommend for you to get one. I will put the link down below where you could get it if you're interested on getting one. Make sure to do one side facing the other one, and then just put one in the middle just like that. So it turns out just like that. There you go. So you're going to continue doing that until you do the whole thing. And this is how the balloon turns out. And I just put a few cutouts on top. Then I went ahead and grabbed a yellow poster paper and some tape. I got 2 of these from Dollar Tree. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put it horizontal just like that. And because mine is so small, I don't have the big one, I'm going to put it double. You could put it triple and make it bigger if you would like the lines to be bigger. But I like them smaller like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue doing that and just doing double-sided double tape and continue until I'm done into almost halfway. Please make sure that you follow directions. Like, try too much to do it the same level as possible. That's one recommendation I give you. Another recommendation that I give is when you get to the middle part, is that make sure to do the line between in the middle from corner to corner before you do the other side, because then if you don't do it, it's going to come out a little off. Like mine, you will see at the end that every line in the middle didn't came the same size, but it still looks good. I'm just giving you that advice so you could do it better. So you see how I just went ahead and did the other side and continue doing this until I'm done with the whole science. You see, this is like the middle part where I was a little bit off. So make sure on this part that you start in the middle from corner to corner first. Because once you do it, you won't be able to go back. So then after I did that, I went ahead and grabbed another poster board paper, and I'm going to fold it in half just like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my scissor and cut it out. Cut it out. Make sure to cut it as straight as possible, because this is the part that I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the middle just like that. Then go ahead and grab your glue, or you could use tape, whatever you have available, and then go ahead and place it at the back. And go ahead and attach it on top. And then just go ahead and place your letters on top. Use double-sided tape to attach it to the board. For these letters, I will put it in my shop, as well as at the cutouts for the mask and the gloves, so you could just go ahead and check it out. If you have some requirement that you would like me to do, just hit me on my Facebook page. And this is how it turns out. Then go ahead and grab some streamers, and this is the yellow streamers, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab also my tape, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tape it horizontal. I didn't find any caution tape, so I just came out with an idea to make my own. This way you could do it also. You could put letters on top that says cautions. That's another idea that you could do as well. I didn't have time to do that because I was running out of time. It was I did this like from one day to another. So then once you go ahead and put all your tape, what you're going to do is just attach it to the back. Just fold it like that and attach it. So you're going to continue doing that until you do the whole thing. And this is how everything turns out. Everything came out beautifully, and I hope you guys like it and enjoy. Remember, if you have any requests that you would like me to do, just let me know. Comment down below letting me what you guys think. I think the favor bag came out super cute. I will have those cutouts on my shop as well. I will put the link down below so you could just go ahead and check it out. This toilet paper idea came out super cute as well. Just go ahead and grab some toilet paper, sanitizer, whatever you have to make your table look cute. These are a few more ideas that you could do and incorporate into this birthday party thing. For the sign, the happy birthday signs, it will be also available on my shop. I show you how to make it, but if you would like to just buy it, just go ahead and check it out.
They come to get you.
Why?
Because you're being bad boy.
What?
It's your birthday, so. How old are you?
13 now.
13? That's a big number, man. Big number. Well, we give it our best rendition, but. What's your name?
Aiden.
Aiden?
Alright, let's go.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aiden. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
13 is a good number. It really is. A lot of good things happen.
Awesome. You guys do anything else special today?
was a little surprised that we did, and he was super nervous, but at the end of the day, he liked it. Those are special things that you could do for your special ones. Once again, thank you for watching Special Creations by Nelly.